Welcome back to Internet Avail. In today's video, we are going to look into how to lock your Facebook profile this 2024 in just some few steps. But before you get into that, if you do love my videos and you find them educative, just go ahead and make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and of course, let's just get into today's video. And first thing first, I want you to open your Facebook account. And on your Facebook app, I want you to come to this menu section, and of course you're going to see we have pages, feeds, friends, explore people, as well as we have on top here we have the setting option. So I want you to come to the setting option right here, get to click that, and then from here you're going to see the search option right here, which is just next to settings and privacy. For that case, I want you to get to search specifically what I'm going to search. I want you to type, just go ahead and type lock. You just need to type lock, and I just wait for the results, and you're going to see different options from device permission. We also have device, we have blocking. Do you want search engine outside do you want search engines outside Facebook to all those stuff? But for our case, we want you to click this allow profile to be recommended to people looking at similar profile. So for that case, you can get to switch that on, and if you don't want to for it to be recommended, you just need to leave it as it is. So you can get to search lock profile. You just need to search lock profile, and you wait for the results that are going to pop up, and from here you just need to look accordingly to what's going to favor you. And for that case, you can just get to search personal details. We have story you muted, and of course you just need to allow, as I was telling you, you just need to allow profile to be recommended to people, or if not, you just need to switch it off, meaning you have already locked your profile. So that's how easy it is to lock your profile. Hopefully you found the video valuable. Just go ahead and make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell.